What's up, you guys? So this is gonna be part 2 of this video. I have did a little sew in at the top. Check out that video if you have not seen that video to see how I sewed this hair in. Go ahead and check that video out.
It's all alright. Even if we yell, we'll be fine by tonight. Cause we can break up, but we will make up like we always do.
Today I am going to be dyeing this already bleached hair with magenta to see if it take. I dyed my natural hair. I did a video on that, so go check that out. And for those who've already checked it out, then you see where I'm at. So I didn't really get the color that I fully had wanted, so I'm gonna go ahead and experiment and dye this already bleached hair to see if it will take. Okay, so first step is first. Add a little Vaseline around here because I don't want it to get on my skin. So I'm just going to add a little Vaseline around the edges. And then we're going to put some gloves on. So let's do that. So this is going to be the end of this video. So as you guys know, I did go ahead and dye the hair. Pretty much I feel with Adore hair, it takes better when you bleach the hair. So if the hair is already bleached and then you add the color on there, you will get the results that you are looking for. You can dye your natural hair, but I don't feel it's going to pick up the color that you are trying to achieve. I did go ahead and dye my natural hair. I have a video on that. Go ahead and check that out. I feel like on camera you couldn't really get the best results of how I dyed my hair, but in the light you can see it. If I get by the sun, you can see it. If you're up close on me, you can see it. So what I did was I went ahead and I just added in some hair that I already had that was bleached. And I took that same dye and I put it on there, and I literally let that sit for at least about 5 to 6 minutes. Not even a long period of time. And I washed it off and it totally took. So I just left out a little of my hair here. And it worked out fine because you can see a little, my hair is like a dark kind of reddish color here. Almost purple a little bit, but it's a dark red. And then it fades and it comes down and then it pops. So it definitely blends in. I think it is really cute. I'm going to be wearing this for a while. I only did this to show. I wanted to do a part 2 to that dyeing my hair video so that I can show people, because when I dyed my hair I was kind of lost and I was looking through videos, and I just kind of wanted my video to be a part 2 where a person can see the difference. Okay, so this is what it's looking like in the back. And yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so whenever I post a video, you can be notified. Take care. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.
We'll be fine by tonight, 'cause we can break up, but we will make up like we always